Open a Canva project page and bring in your image. Remove the background of your image and slightly increase the size. Go to Edit, scroll down to see Filters. Scroll down till you can see the duotone filter. Choose Customs and change the highlights and shadows to black. Position your image properly. Head over to Share and copy this to your clipboard. Delete this original image and paste in your new image. Crop out the excesses and reduce the size just like so. Go to your uploads and bring in another image. This is the image you're going to be blending in with. Go to Apps and search for blend image. Choose this image as the bottom layer and choose this other image as the top layer. Scroll down, go to blend mode and choose screen. Add to design. Now delete these other images and increase the size of this one. Remove the background and slightly crop out the excesses. Go back to uploads and bring in another image. So I saved this image from Zendaya's Instagram page. I'm just going to cut out these parts. Increase the size of your image. Increase it so it covers the entire Canva. Let's simply crop out this other part. Go to Edit, See All, choose Magic Grab, and let's grab this image. Perfect. Now reduce the size of this image. Perfect. Go to Layers and bring this blended one forward. Go to Edit, go to Filters, scroll down to see the mono filter. It's basically black and white. Choose the slate. Now go to Apps and search for Image Blender. Choose this, choose Fade, choose Linear, and let's simply blend this image into the background by dragging it upwards. And once you're done, reduce the strength, then save. Crop out the excesses of this image. Increase the size slightly. Bring in this other blended image and increase the size. Perfect. A little more. Yeah, this is perfect. Go to Layers and move it forward. Go to Test. Add a heading and type in Z for Zendaya. Increase the size of your text. Increase it so it's as bold as the Canva. We want it to cover the entire Canva. Perfect. Go to Layers and move it behind the two images. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share.